Hello viewers, if you are using iPad or any other iOS devices, then these three settings will change your battery life altogether. At first, let me show you how much battery life I am getting right now. After using these three methods, actually I am getting a very good battery life. As you can see here, on a single charge today, I got around 5 hours and 20 minutes. And yet 57% battery is left, so definitely I will get around 10 hours plus SOT on a single charge. And you can see here that I have used YouTube, I also edited videos on InShot, and I have browsed web and used Safari. Then I have used all these apps, and you can see the usage time, and you can see the settings have taken only 12 minutes and it percentage it only 2%. So how is this possible? In this video I am going to say that. So at first you need to go to settings. After that click on privacy and security, then click on location services. After that click on system services. As you can see at the bottom, in system services you can see that all the toggles are turned on, so you need to turn off some settings. So I will tell you step by step. The first settings that you need to turn off is Apple Merchant Identification, then turn off compass calibration, after that turn off HomeKit, and then turn off setting time zone. After that you need to turn off suggestions and search, and then system customization, then turn on significant locations and turn off, and you need to turn off this. Okay, and after come back and then turn off iPad analytics and routing and traffic also. The second important settings, you need to go to settings and then general. After that click on background app repress. You can see that all the toggles are turned on. You need to turn off certain toggles, for example books, Canva, Freeform, Hotstar, InShot. All these apps need not to run in the background, so I just want these apps to stop in the background, and I just kept 3 apps which can run in the background. As you can see, Chrome, Notes and YouTube. And if you want more apps, you can turn on for background app repress. Actually background app repress takes a lot of batteries. The third setting is in the Siri. Go into settings and then click on Siri. You need to turn off Hey Siri option, because it takes a lot of batteries. Every time you say Hey Siri, it actually activates and it takes up a lot of battery. In the end of the day, it will drain a significant amount of your battery. So in the conclusion, if you can follow these 3 steps and change these 3 settings in your iPad or iOS devices, you will get a great battery life. And believe me, I am getting a great battery life with my iPad 10th generation. Hope this method will also work on your iPad. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have applied these 3 settings on your iPad or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.